The prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for focus and decision making and impulse control, may be compromised by this constant barrage of short, rapid fire content. Our brain thrives on connections and coherent structures, but short form content encourages this fragmented learning, making it harder for us to retain and recall and apply knowledge coherently. And the superficial learning hinders our ability to form long term memories and engage in deep and reflective thought. Short term content is also altering the structure of our brains. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for higher order cognitive functions such as attention and decision making, impulse control, long term planning, is especially affected. And frequent exposure to rapid short form content decreases our sustained attention. As our brain adapts to these quick, dopamine driven hits of information, it's making it harder for us to concentrate on tasks that require longer attention spans. Again, reading, studying, are focusing on complex and detailed information for extended periods. The hippocampus, which is crucial for memory formation and spatial navigation, is also impacted. Constantly switching between short, fragmented content affects how the hippocampus encodes and retrieves information, leading to difficulties in forming long term memories. And without the necessary time and focus required for deep learning, information doesn't get properly consolidated, resulting in weaker retention and recall. The striatum involved in our brain's reward system is highly sensitive to dopamine, becomes desensitized, reducing our sensitivity to everyday rewards, making it harder for us to enjoy activities that required sustained patience, such as long form reading or practices such as meditation. The amygdala, which processes emotions like fear and pleasure, is deeply involved in how we respond to stimuli. And short form content often appeals to emotions, especially through sensational or emotionally charged materials. And this constant stimulation of the amygdala can lead to heightened emotional reactivity and increased susceptibility to sensationalism, leaving us more prone to emotional fatigue, anxiety, and stress.